today we are gonna jump on a plane and we are gonna go to Maui. So this is our team and we are so excited to go see the ocean and plants and animals. Ready? Let's go!
Let's go!
While we were on the 5.5-hour plane ride, we talked about all the different locations we wanted to see. So let me show you. The first place we went was Big Beach in South Maui. This beach is called Big Beach because of all the huge waves. The next place we went was to the Nakalele Blowhole, which is in West Maui. As you can see, the water is blue. While we were at the blowhole, we were actually able to capture it. It's really cool. Imagine if you were standing underneath it. When we went snorkeling, we saw a starfish. We went snorkeling in Kihei. And then we decided to take a trip to Pukapa Beach, where we were on the lookout looking at the sea turtles. They actually stay on the shore and sleep there in the afternoon. We also ran into the rainbow eucalyptus tree and the hibiscus flowers, which are native to Maui. This was all seen on the road to Hana. When we went snorkeling again at a close beach nearby, we discovered a whole bunch of sea turtles. You can see their shells. They're really pretty up close. They're all unique and have different designs. And towards the end of our trip, we decided to take a look at the sunsets and relax a little bit before we had to take our flight back to California. Make sure you join us on our next adventure.